Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia Yorka and we are back with another video. In today's video guys, I am going to show you how to browse into your YouTube channel once you create it. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to create a YouTube channel, I will have the link below this video. Go ahead and watch it first. It's super easy how to create your YouTube channel in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so with that being said, let's get straight to the video. This is the YouTube channel I created in my previous video, and I'm gonna be using that YouTube channel as my dummy channel, or as my tutorial channel for everything that I will be teaching you guys on my platform. Okay, so I created London First channel the other day, and today I'm coming back to show you guys. Now that you created your channel, now what? Your next step, guys, is to get familiarized with your YouTube channel. Find out what everything does. Learn the page, how the page look, like all different tabs, play around with it, so that way you can get comfortable. So when you're ready to start making videos, you will know exactly what to do. If you look in here at the page, you can see that you have your, excuse me, your pictures will be right here. Right here, this is where the little bell is, where you're gonna see any notification on your channel, any new subscribers, any comments that somebody made on your channel. You're going to see it right there. Right here, I'm gonna click on it so you guys can see. It's basically your YouTube app. You're gonna have your YouTube TV, your YouTube Music, YouTube for Kids, Creator Academy, YouTube Artists. You can browse these for yourself, but it's very essential that you know those things. If you click on right here, guys, you have the two options to upload videos and as well as go live. I'm gonna click on the upload videos because we do not have anything to create. We don't have anything created yet. I will be doing another video on how to upload videos on YouTube, but since we do not have anything yet, but whenever you start creating videos, this is where you're gonna be uploading your videos. Okay, you can always use a third party to edit your video and upload it on YouTube, or you can upload your video on YouTube and edit it from YouTube. YouTube also has some great tools that you can use for free to edit your video if you're not comfortable of finding other apps that you can use to edit your videos. Also, I will be sharing with you guys some of the apps that I use personally to edit my videos that are super easy, super simple. I do it on my phone, very easy. But YouTube is another platform, is another way you can edit your video as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. All right, so you can also click here if you want to go live. So for live stream, if you want to go live stream, if you want to go live stream, you can. Right now we can't go live stream. I don't know if you can see it. It's not really showing you, but it say live stream isn't available right now, so I have to click on enable to enable it. To access live stream on desktop, please verify your phone number. So I don't want to go through all that. We are not going to do any live. I will be showing you guys how to go live on this channel as well, but we're not doing that today, so that's gonna be for another day. So I'm gonna go right back to my picture right here, London First. Go back to my channel, and here we are back to my channel. All right, so that was up here. Right here is, you can search with voice. So instead of typing, you can click here and search for something like you have to allow the microphone since it's a new channel. Once again, it's a dummy channel. I'm not going to do that, but if something that you want to practice and learn more about, that way you can know what your YouTube channel does. Search with your voice. So basically, if you click on here, play Beyonce. I have to allow it, sorry. Play Beyonce. Here you go.
If you want to achieve better results, make a great impression, and save time at work, you should get Grit.
All right, basically we have like a app I mean, we have a ad, but that's what that button does if you're not familiar. Okay, a little hello for you, and of course you have your search box right here. All right, so let's go right back. Every time you need to go back to your page, to your YouTube channel, just always click on the photo so you can go back. Okay, and right here you have manage your videos. Since we do not have any video on here, you're not gonna see any video, but usually you'll see like a list of your videos down here, and it will show you like a date that you upload them, the amount of views that they have, the amount of comments, like versus dislike, all here. But for now we don't have anything, so you are not going to see anything on here for that. If you guys look right here, or right here, by the way, as you guys can see, it says uploads and lives. So some people go lives every day on their YouTube channel. So in that case, if you want to see videos or you want to manage your lives, you'll just click on lives and it's going to show you the list of lives down here. But like I said, for now we do not have anything. If you look on the side, you have your, of course, your picture, and then you have your channel name, which is London First, and then you have, if you click on dashboards, guys, it will show you basically an small summarized analytic of your channel. Okay, so you would have all your videos, uploaded videos, and then it was also tells you, you know, like in the past 20 days, how many views did you get? In the past 28 days, sorry, how many watch time hours do you get? Remember, watch time hours are very important, views are very important, and subscribers are very important when it comes to monetization. So if you are already thinking of starting a YouTube because you want to get monetized, you need to make sure you are keeping an eye out of those analytics. If you're creating YouTube for fun, you don't care about monetizing, then you don't really need to care about that. But I know a lot of people want to start YouTube because they want to get monetized, and that's the reason why I think you should start YouTube, you know, so you can have like a passive, another form of passive income in a way if you become successful at it. So not if, when you become successful at it. So that's something that you need to pay attention to, and they will be showing right here. Okay, and then it will tell you also your top videos in the last 48 hours. Right now we have nothing, so we're not gonna worry about that. Now content, this is gonna be all your videos. Once again, uploads, live, playlist, this is all your playlists. You can create your channel, organize your YouTube, your uploads into playlists. For example, all your cooking videos in a playlist. You can create a playlist for all your blogs. You can create a playlist for all your hair tutorial, whatever, so it can be more organized. And also playlists can be music. If you are listening to music a lot on YouTube, your playlist will also appear right here as well. Once again, this is your channel analytic, but in more detail. So you have overview. So you're gonna have all your views, your watch hours, your subscribers. Remember, those three are the most important numbers that you need to know in order for you to get monetized. You must meet those numbers in order for you to get monetized, and you're gonna see that more when we get to the monetize option down there. Okay, so this is the reach. Is gonna tell you your impression clicks, how many people did you view, the type of viewers, are they mostly females, how many, you know, which countries are viewing your videos the most, etc. It's really interesting. Are your videos getting engaged, you know, all those things. Like, this is something that when you start a YouTube channel and you want to get monetized, this page right here is going to be your best friend, believe it or not. Okay, comments, you're gonna have all comments here. So in order for you to know who comment on your channel, in order for you to know if you have responded to all your subscribers, you come here. Okay, if there is any comments held for review, you're gonna click on here and it's gonna tell you. If not, all your published comments should be shown right here, and that's how I usually go in and check to see if I responded to all my subscribers, because I love to respond back to my subscribers so that I don't think that I'm a robot or anything like that. So for your comments, any channel subtitles that you have. Now this one is very important, guys. Okay, channel copyright. Remember, YouTube is very sensitive when it comes to copyright, and you cannot put any songs that are copyright on the channel. And if you, for example, you're gonna put a Beyonce song or something like that, or a beat, it have to be less than 9 seconds. Anything more than that, you will get penalized for it, and they're gonna put a strike on your account. Some strike are very light, it's not a big deal, but some strike can, you know, terminate your account and stuff like that. So pay attention to the type of music that you are putting on your channel. And that's another video that I'm gonna be doing to show you guys how to get non-copyright music for your intros, for your background, and so on and so forth. Not just music, it can be any other things like movies, if you want to, you know, depending on what you're doing, anything that have been, you know, that have been out there that is that have copyright on it, YouTube is gonna put a strike on it, and that's where you're gonna see your strikes. And any videos that have a strike on it, it will tell you if it's available for monetize or not. If you have a strike on it, you need to make sure you clear those strikes before your video can get monetized. If you end up getting monetized and you still have strike on those videos, those money are gonna go to those artists and not to you. So make sure you have no strike on your videos when you started to get monetized. That way those money can come straight to you. There goes the beauty that everybody are fighting for, the monetization. So as you guys can see down here, YouTube gives you everything that you need to get monetized. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. You need to have at least 4,000 watch hours, two-step of verifications, and no strikes. Like I was saying, if you have any active strikes on your videos, you're not going to get monetized. So make sure you do not, get any strikes. Once you have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, you click on notify me when I'm eligible. YouTube will send you a notification. That's why it is important to create a specific email for your YouTube channel. That way you can see when that email comes in, and you can go ahead and apply for your AdSense, Google AdSense, and so you can start getting money, okay, for your channel. Just make sure you pay attention to that. Customization, you can go here and, like I said, organize your videos, short uploads, whatever, in the way that you like. You have your audio library. This is where you can get a lot of non-copyright music for your YouTube channel. If you're editing your videos on YouTube, this is helpful. Of course, they're not like, modern music or anything like that, but at least, like, you have something for your background, you have something for your intro, and they are non-copyright. All right. And of course, setting, you guys know what setting is. Do it for your, go through these on your own time. I don't want the video to be longer than it needs to be, but basically this is your YouTube channel in a nutshell. Okay. When I do that, it's make the YouTube studio a little bit bigger, and when I do that, it's kind of like condense everything here. So this is all you need to know about your YouTube channel, your YouTube studio. Let me see here. Right here, guys, you have your channel here. You can go to YouTube on your channel without having to log in out. You can switch your accounts. So if you have like your personal account, and you don't want to create a channel under that account, you can switch your accounts to that. You can manage your account. You can change your YouTube appearance from light to dark, and you can send feedbacks. So basically, guys, this is all it is about YouTube. Okay, nothing crazy, nothing complicated. Once you started to have stuff on there, it's gonna all make sense. But for now, this is how you maneuver through your YouTube, how do I say it, your backstage YouTube, your YouTube studio, whatever you would like to call it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.